The lung cleansing drink that anyone who smokes or who has ever smoked needs to try. One of the most addictive and most harmful habits that anyone can have is the smoking, because it affects every internal organ and our health in general. Even by every smoker knowing these facts, they still keep on smoking because they say that it is quite difficult to get rid of it for good. According to the researches, more than 16 million Americans are suffering from numerous medical conditions due to smoking tobacco, mostly young people. If you are a smoker, and you gave up smoking and you are looking for a lung cleansing remedy that will cause no side effects, try this one out. You will be amazed by the effects. The ingredients that this remedy is made of are very beneficial, and completely natural: ginger, onions and turmeric. One of the most famous, used and beneficial spices on this planet is the turmeric. It is used as a natural medication and it finds numerous uses in the kitchen. It contains huge anti-cancer, antiviral and antibacterial properties, and it is one of the richest sources of nutrients, vitamins and minerals. Also, the onions contain many anti-cancer and antibacterial properties too, and the ginger has powerful stomach soothing abilities, and it is able to detox our body and treat the water retention. How to prepare this natural remedy. Ingredients: 1 liter of pure, filtered water, 1 inch of ginger root, onions, turmeric, stevia, maple syrup or honey. Instructions: put the water on heat and add the sweetener. When it starts to boil, chop the onions and ginger and add them to the boiling water. For a while let them boil, then lower the heat and add the turmeric too. On low heat leave the mixture to simmer for about half an hour. After that half an hour or so, let the mixture to cool down a bit, and put it in your refrigerator. Take 2 tablespoons of the mixture when you get up on an empty stomach, and 2 tablespoons before bedtime. It will cleanse your lungs in a short period of time, and you will experience change after very short period of usage. Share this article with your friends, help someone to cleanse their lungs if they smoked. For more health advice, be sure to like us and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.